Hello, my name is Gio and this is my first YouTube video. My channel is named World of Gio, obviously you probably know that. And yeah, I probably have like one person checking it out, but for later on, if I ever get many subscribers, probably not. This is my first video. So I'm going to be doing Clash of Clans, my second account, and I'll rate my second account. Gio, Dutch am, because I just am. Not. And my first account is Gio21568. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing a raid. So, let's get to it. So, first one good? Nope. I'm looking for good loot. Not good. Bad loot. I don't know. I'm just gonna skip it. Not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. I guess it's alright. Where would I start though? I think I'll start from here. Yeah, I'll start from here, work my way down. Okay, so Giants and Papa, then quickly, then okay. So let's get to it. So far everything's working out so well. Only a couple giants died. New record. I trained 4 giants, 20 archers, and 10 barbarians. So yeah. About to get that 1 star from the town hall. And there you go. 2 stars actually. We got that 50%. About to take that last Archer Tower down. And yeah, this raid's getting like 3 stars so badly. 18 trophies. Oh, not 18 trophies, so like yeah, not bad. So it's gonna be all left to break this. And perfect. Yep. So I won't be doing another raid after this, so just stick with me. Okay, return home. Collect all that collector stuff. Oh, look, yay! Yes. Okay. Then we'll do the same tactic. Nope. 10. Gem. 10. 10. Then I shall be cleaning down the environment because I'm just gonna do something. Hope I get gems. Well, let's cut down more of the environment. Nope. More environments. Waiting forever. I found a gem. Oh. Yay. Okay. So we're gonna raid a second time, and that's gonna be it for this video. Attack. It's not terrible. I mean, like I said, it's not terrible. I think my giants would get stuck on the walls. Loot's bad. The loot's okay in this one. Let me look for the cannons. Yeah, I see them. Okay, I'm gonna start from here and then work my way up. So giants and pop. And then boom. And let's see how it goes. So far going well. Barking. barking all the way. Yep, and then we pass on that campfire, or any base, or whatever you want to call it. Collectors going down, grabbing that loot, grabbing that big sword. We got already a 50%. We about to take that last cannon. Pretty much overkill this base. It sucks. Overkill. Town hall's going down. Town hall is about to go down. In 3, 2, 1. No more town halls. Loot being taken. We're 84%. And I forgot to just drop the rest of my archers. And that's it, perfect. So yep, that was the last raid of the day. And so that's it for me. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.